Today, they might laugh after me because I don't have this YouTube voice. Yes, so today we're making some Jamaican Escovitch fish. So far I have my oil all hot. I got some toothpicks in there. What the toothpick does, it keeps the oil from getting burnt real quick. And here goes our first fish. We'll be doing the fish egg.
Let me please back up. First of all, guys, this was fresh new oil, but my dad's been cooking all day.
Yes.
Wait. I'm joking. Go. Oh, Dad. So what's the tips and trick to frying fish? Because remember, you know my dilemma when it comes to frying fish. I either flip it too early.
Has to be really hot before you put the fish in.
Yeah.
And when you're turning your fish, a lot of people tend to want to turn it this way from top over. I found that it turns better when you do it this way, from the belly over.
Why?
I don't know. I guess the genetics how the fish skin is. Fresh tip cut onion that I do like this. Cut out my Escovitch sauce. This is onion, carrots, and I put corn inside sometimes, and pimento seeds, salt, vinegar, and a bit of sugar. I like to cut my vegetables fancy. Some people just be like this. No, I don't like that. Kind of basic.
Okay, we get it. You're fancy. Okay, Chef Mike, we get it. Y'all taking the knife? Chef Mike!
The onions and the green pepper goes in last. So I like them to have a crunch on them, same way. Holy cow, looks like a bump. Look at that. I'm sorry.
Nyla, that's not nice?
It's about turning the fish. You gotta easily do it. A little bit of time. Mostly what sticks to the eyes. Just a little bit at a time, just rock it. Right, both sides.
So basically don't force turn it.
No, don't force it. It will tell you when it wants to turn.
That's one thing I always do wrong. I always That's my toes!
Did you put some garlic in your oil? Fresh garlic. You just drop a Scotch bonnet pepper in your oil. You get the aroma, flavor. So I'm adding corn to my Escovitch. The key to this, you gotta cut them real thin. It really doesn't take very long to cook.
It's hard to cut though.
If it's really hard to cut, then what you do is you cut it like that, and you cut it in half, and then it goes flat. Then it's easier to cut than with your hand like that. A lot easier that way.
Right.
The more common thing with this escovitch is the onions and the carrot. Put some chocho in there. Chocho is a traditional part of Escovitch. The chocho doesn't take long to cook, and it's also a superfood. It's a super fruit or vegetable. These are almost done. I add a little bit of oil to my Escovitch pot. I'm getting it ready. A little bit of oil, don't need much. First thing that goes in is the corn that I take along with the cook. You also put a carrot. You need a little salt. A little sugar. Watch my fish, don't want it to burn. This is done. Put my pimento seeds, fresh from Jamaica. Care package. Vinegar. I don't like cooking one fish. I always burn it. So what I did was I turned the stove down. It was on high over here. I turn it down so that I get control of it. Taste it. Some people like it salty. Need a little more sugar. Balance the flavor. This is cooked. I usually just turn the stove off. Then I add my onion. And I want my onions to be crunchy. The heat from the sauce is going to cook the onion just how I like it. Add my bell peppers. Add my chocho. Chocho is optional. Just stir it up. The steam alone and the vinegar, the sauce, is going to have those all cooked up. These sticks, they get burned before the oil. If these sticks were in here, the oil would have been really dark like that. In most cases, you can tell that the fish is done when the eye is really crispy.
that one there.
A little bit soft still, so it will be cooked for another minute or so on each side. There's only one fish in there right now, so I have to turn the stove down. If there's more fish inside the oil is more displaced, uncovered. So all these places here will be a lot of heat and the fish will burn. So I'm just going slow with this one fish. And that's done. Make sure you guys like up the videos, comment down below, share, subscribe. Welcome to my channel. Cheers.